In this video, I am going to show you how you can display Instagram, real-time follower on your website. So you need to first upload Instagram real-time follower plugin. First, you need to upload. So now I will upload a real-time Instagram live counter plugin. So here I upload. Yeah, after uploading, you need to activate. When you active, then you get a setting. So first you need to authorize your account. After authorize your account, then you can able to display a real-time Instagram follower on your website. So now I click Instagram, click connect Instagram button to authorize account. So now I click allow. Yeah, my account is authorized. So now how I display Instagram real-time followers. So for that we need to use this shortcode. I just copy it and I will create a new page. So now you have to give a page name. So I will show you shortcode. Okay. Uh, Now view, yeah, you can see here show my follower. Okay, now let me show my uh, it will be update real time. If someone follow you, then it will be increase here. So let me show my Instagram account. This is my Instagram account. As you can see here, these are same. Okay. So if you want to customize a color, then you need to change here setting. Here you can customize your color. So if you want to change color, then you just change the color code, or you just easily you can change everything here. And if you want to change width, then you can use full width. Everything is changeable. Okay.